Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top cash flow strategies that can help you build a stable and growing income stream. Because let's face it, in the world of personal finance, it's not just about how much you earn, but also about how much of that money keeps flowing in consistently. Whether you're dreaming of early retirement, financial freedom, or simply want to worry less about money, building multiple streams of income is key. That's why we've compiled this list of proven strategies that can help you generate cash flow and achieve your financial goals. Remember, the best strategy for you will depend on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial goals. So, grab a pen and paper, take notes, and let's get started on your journey to financial independence.
One of the most powerful ways to build long-term wealth and consistent cash flow is through real estate. I'm talking about owning rental properties. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't that expensive? Yes, there's an upfront investment. But here's the beauty of it. You can leverage debt to acquire a property. As your tenants pay rent, that income covers your mortgage payments. Ideally, you're left with a positive cash flow each month. Plus, as you pay down your mortgage, your equity grows. And let's not forget about appreciation. Real estate tends to appreciate in value over time.
Now, let's talk about a strategy that's all about earning while you sleep. Dividend-paying stocks. Think of it like this. You're essentially becoming a part owner of a company and sharing in its profits. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you receive regular payments, typically quarterly, just for holding onto those shares. It's like getting paid to wait for your investments to grow. The key here is to look for established companies with a solid track record of paying and, ideally, increasing their dividends over time. This strategy is all about generating passive income and building wealth gradually. It's important to remember that the stock market can be volatile in the short term, but over the long term, it has historically trended upwards. So be patient, stay invested, and let the power of compounding work its magic.
Ready to think outside the traditional banking system? With peer-to-peer lending platforms, you can become the lender and earn potentially higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Here's how it works. You lend money to borrowers, individuals or small businesses, through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. These borrowers pay you back with interest, providing you with a stream of passive income. Of course, higher potential returns often come with higher risks. That's why it's crucial to diversify your lending across multiple borrowers to mitigate the risk of defaults. Before diving in, thoroughly research different platforms, understand their fee structures, and carefully assess the risk tolerance that aligns with your financial goals. The foundation: high-yield savings and CDs. While we're exploring higher return strategies, let's not forget about the importance of a solid financial foundation. And that foundation starts with high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. I know what you're thinking, these aren't going to make me rich, and you're right. But they serve a crucial purpose. High-yield savings accounts offer a better return than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow steadily over time. CDs, on the other hand, offer a fixed interest rate for a set period, providing predictable returns. While these options might not offer the highest returns, they provide something invaluable: security and peace of mind. Digital products. Create once, earn forever. Now, let's dive into the world of digital products, a realm where you can leverage your knowledge, skills, or creativity to generate passive income. Think about it: ebooks, online courses, templates, software, stock photos, or even music tracks. These are all examples of digital products that, once created, can be sold repeatedly without requiring you to start from scratch each time. The beauty of this model is its scalability. You create it once, and it can potentially reach a global audience, generating income while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big idea. The key here is to identify a need in the market, create a high-quality product that provides value, and market it effectively to your target audience. Affiliate marketing. Leverage your influence. If you have a strong online presence, a loyal audience, or simply enjoy sharing products or services you love, then affiliate marketing might be your golden ticket to passive income. Here's the gist. You partner with companies and promote their products or services on your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a thank you for sending customers their way. The key to success in affiliate marketing is authenticity. Promote products or services you genuinely believe in. Provide valuable content to your audience, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships.
Entrepreneurship. Build your own empire. For those with an entrepreneurial spirit and a burning desire to be their own boss, starting a small business can be incredibly rewarding both personally and financially. Whether it's an online business, a brick-and-mortar store, a consultancy, or a local service, the possibilities are endless. The key is to identify a problem you're passionate about solving, create a product or service that meets a market need, and be prepared to put in the hard work required to get your business off the ground. Remember, building a successful business takes time, dedication, and resilience. But the rewards, financial freedom, creative control, and the satisfaction of building something from the ground up can be life-changing.
Licensing and royalties. Your intellectual property powerhouse. If you're a creative individual, an inventor, or an innovator, you might be sitting on a goldmine of potential passive income. Intellectual property. Patents, trademarks, copyrights, designs, and trade secrets. These are all forms of intellectual property that can generate significant income through licensing and royalties. Let's say you've invented a new product, written a hit song, or created a unique design. Instead of trying to commercialize it yourself, you can license your intellectual property to other companies, allowing them to use it in exchange for royalty payments. This way, you earn passive income from the use of your creation without the headaches of manufacturing, marketing, or distribution. Bonds. Stability and predictability. Now, let's shift gears and talk about bonds, an asset class known for its stability and predictable income stream. In essence, when you invest in bonds, you're lending money to a government or a corporation. In return for lending them your money, they promise to pay you back the principal amount plus regular interest payments, known as coupons. Bonds are often seen as a less risky investment compared to stocks, making them an attractive option for those seeking a steady stream of income, especially during volatile market conditions. Keep in mind that bond prices can fluctuate based on interest rate movements. However, if you hold a bond until maturity, you'll receive the full principal amount back, assuming the issuer doesn't default. Covered calls. Generate income from your existing stocks. Generate additional income from your existing holdings by selling covered calls. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Sell a covered call option to give someone the right to buy your shares at a predetermined price. You receive a premium up front. This premium is yours to keep. Building your financial future. Thanks for watching. If you found these strategies helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your financial future. Building diverse streams of income takes time, effort, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, the best strategy for you will depend on your individual circumstances, risk tolerance, and financial goals. Do your research, seek professional advice if needed, and start implementing these strategies today. See you next time.